Hello children, welcome back. Today we'll talk about the cell organelles. What are cell organelles? Cell organelles are the specific components within the cell. They are present in the cell. What do the cell organelles do, or what are the functions of the cell organelles? They make new materials, they help in clearing up the waste materials, and there are many other functions of the cell organelles because there are so many organelles inside the cell. Now, let us talk about the structural organization of a cell. Here, we'll talk about what forms a cell. What are the basic components in the cell? There are three basic components in each cell. They include the cell membrane, also known as the plasma membrane, nucleus, and cytoplasm. We'll talk about nucleus and cytoplasm later on. Let's continue with cell membrane. Cell membrane is the outermost covering of the cell that separates the contents of the cell from its external environment. That means it is the thing that is present in the cell, but still it covers the cell and it acts as a strainer which separates the things that are outside the cell from the things that are inside the cell. It permits the entry and exit of some materials in and out of the cell. Permits means allows. So it allows the entry and exit of some materials in and out of the cell. It prevents movement of some other materials. That means the materials that are not needed by the cell, they are not permitted in the cell. It is flexible and it is made up of organic molecules called lipids and proteins. So, the cell membrane is made up of lipids and proteins. It is also called the selectively permeable membrane. Now, when we talk about selective things, that means it does not allow anything and everything to enter inside the cell. It is very selective in nature. Again, permeable. Permeable means which allows. So, it allows selective things to move in and out of the body or of the cell, and so it is termed as the selectively permeable membrane. When we see the structure of the cell membrane, you can see the red part that is present inside the cell is the cell membrane. We'll talk about the phenomenon and some more things about the cell organelles and plasma membrane later on. Thank you.